Okay, the next part of the Crazy Megaminx plus Neptune tutorial is to put in all the corner pieces turned in the right direction. So first I'm going to start with the white side and get the white, blue, and yellow since that's the hardest. That's where the middle of the three non-fixed sides are. To do this one I need two non-fixed sides, like this, or this one, and a fixed side right above them. So first I'll get the white, blue, and yellow in. And that one's right here. So the first thing I have to do is to match at least one of the sides with their color. So even if I can't put this in directly, I have to match this with this piece. So if I bring it up here, then I just have to turn this around twice, and this one matches. So I'm going to use the white and blue sides, move this over to here. First, take this out, using the two non-fixed sides like that, and then put it in here. And then do that again with two other pieces, this one and the original one. This way nothing else gets messed up. Now, the white and the yellow, white and blue, the yellow is solved. Now I just have to move this over here. So I'm going to move this up here, move this directly over here. I'm going to use the white and blue now. I'm going to use yellow and blue instead. From here, I'm going to take it out again, move it over, and put it in. Now that piece is solved. Do it again. Now that piece is in. Next I'll finish the rest of the white. And first I'm going to move this piece over here to match this green piece with this green side. So move it over here. First take this piece out using the white and blue. Now move it over. And then do the same with the other pieces. Put it back. Now I have to put this one over here. Take it out. Replace it with this piece. Do it again. Now the green side is matched. From here I had to bring this straight over here. So I'm going to use the white and blue side now. Take it out. Put it over here. Then do it one more time. Now this is also a piece with the white in it. I'm going to put this one straight over here. Take it out. Replace it. And do the same with any other piece. Now I'm done with 3 of the white side. Next thing I have to put in these 2 pieces. So I'm going to put this piece in here first. I can move this twice and match it with the red. Okay, so I'm going to put this one over here. I'm going to use this light yellow and light blue side. Then take it out, replace it, and do the same with another set. Now these 3 are still intact, and I can just move this one straight over here. Now I'll use the blue and yellow. First take this piece out, move this piece over and replace it. Do the same with another piece and replace it with the original piece. Now this piece is still solved and I just put in that piece. Now I need the last white piece, this one. First thing, I'm going to move it out here using the white and blue. Take it out, replace it, and put this one back as it was. Okay, now I'm going to move this one over here once. So bring this one over here using the blue, light blue and gray sides. And from here I can move this over here to match it with yellow. Now I'll use the yellow and blue side. Take it out. Place it. Go to another non-solved side. And put this one back as it was. Now from here I have to put this one straight over here. Now I'll use the yellow and blue. So I have to put this one over here. Take it out. Replace it. And take out another piece. And replace it. Put everything back as it was. Now I solved the first layer. Next I want to get the second layer of corner pieces. First I'll start with the light blue, green, and purple. That one's over here on the opposite side. First I'm going to use this yellow and blue to move it out to the gray. From here I can move it over once to match the light blue sides. So I'm going to use the yellow and the blue to move this over here. And then take two non-solved corner pieces and replace those. Now the light blue is matched. I have to put this one down here now. So I'm going to bring these corners up to a fixed side. And I'm going to use the light blue and gray. Put this one over here. Replace it. Okay. Put this one back as it was. Now I'm finished with that corner piece. Next I need the orange, purple, and yellow. Just over here. I can move this over here to match it with the orange. To do that I'm going to use the yellow and blue. So move this over here. Take it out first. Replace it. Go to non-solved corner piece. Take that one out. And replace it with the original piece. Now from here I can use the yellow and blue again and just bring this one over here. Take this one out. Replace it. Go to another corner piece. And replace it with the original piece. Okay, now I'm done with these two. And this one's still intact. Next I need the green, yellow, and blue. Which is over here. So first, I'm going to move it over here. Using the yellow and blue. Take it out. Replace it. Go to another side. Take that one out and replace it with the original piece. Put this one back as it was. And from here, if I move it twice this way, the greens will match. So I'm going to use the light yellow and light blue to move this over to here. Again, take it out, move this piece over, replace it, go to another corner piece, take that one out, and replace it with the original piece. Now from here I can move this one straight over here using the blue and white. First take this piece out, move this one over, replace it, go to another non-solved corner, take that one out, and replace it with the original piece. That way this one is still solved, and I solved these three now. Next, I need the pink, blue, and red, and this one just has to go right here. So I'm going to use a blue and white again. Take this one out, move it over, replace it, go to another side, take that one out, and replace it with the first piece. That way this one is solved again, and these four are completed. Now I need the yellow, red, and green, which is over here. So move this one straight over here to match the yellows. I'm going to use the yellow and blue sides. Okay, so take this one out, move it over, replace it, take out another corner piece that's not solved, and replace it with the original piece. Now that piece is in. Now move these corners up to a fixed side. I'm going to move this one over to here. I'm going to move this one over to here. So using the light yellow and gray, take it out, move the piece I want to replace it with right above it, replace it, take it out and get another piece, and then replace it. Put this one back. This one's still intact, and I've gotten all these corner pieces. Next I want to get the next layer. So first I'm going to put in this piece over to here. Orange, purple, and blue. If I move this over, it's solved. So I'm going to use the gray and light yellow sides. First take it out of the way. Replace it. Take another non-solved corner. And replace it. Now I'm done with that piece. Next I need a light yellow, light blue, and green, which is right here. Move it over twice. So I'm going to move the piece I'm replacing and the piece I want to put in, move it up to a fixed side. I'm going to use a light yellow, and light blue, and I'm going to move this one over here. First take it out, replace it, take out another piece, and replace it with the original piece. Put everything back as it was. Now I'm done with these two. Next I need the pink, red, and yellow, light yellow, which is right here. Okay, first I'm going to take it out this way, using the gray and light yellow. Take it out, replace it, take another piece out, and replace it. Now this piece was solved while I was doing that. Next I'm going to put this one over here to match it with the pinks. So first I have to move this one up here. From here I'm going to put this one right here to match it. So I'm going to use the gray and the light blue, take it out, replace it, take another corner piece out, and replace it with the original. Put everything back as it was. Okay, now I can put this one straight over here using the light yellow and light blue. So take it out, replace it, take out another unsolved corner, and replace it with the original. Now I just need the orange, green, and yellow, which is right here. So I'm going to move this one over this way. So I'm going to move them all up to fixed side, like the pink. I'm going to use the gray and light blue to move this over to here. So first take it out, replace it, take out another piece, and replace it with the original. Put it back. Now I'm going to put this one in here using the gray and yellow, light yellow. I'm going to take it out, replace it, and replace with another one, put it back in. Okay. Now I'm done with all these layers. Next I want to put in these. Now this one's already in the right spot, but it's not rotated correctly. We'll worry about that one later. And same with this one. So I want to rotate these three. This one over here, this one over here, and this one over here. But all three of these are on a non-fixed side, so again I have to take it up to a fixed side, and I'm going to replace these three using the gray and light yellow. First take this piece out, replace it. Now this one goes over here, replace that one, and this one goes back up here, place it. Put everything back. Now everything is solved except for rotating these.